How to fix messenger notification not working on Poco M8. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device. So if you want to restart device, click power button and volume up button at the time. And restart phone. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. After click on settings app, click on scroll down and click on notification and status bar. After click on notification and status bar, so click on customize icon display and turn off D&D. After turn off D&D button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so click on again settings app. Now in setting, click on more connectivity option. Scroll down and click on reset settings and enter your pin. After enter your pin, click on OK. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. Go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix messenger notification not working on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.